SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner. SLP generally faces our position at $0.003 in a quite large manner. Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears for the most part has been laid out at $0.003. 16 December 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through sort of Smooth Love mixture cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues, facts, what by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for truly Smooth Love Elixir, sort of is SLP, a kind of wise interest incredibly. Smooth Love mixture support and obstruction levels and so on, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the SLP specialized examination, essentially let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which sort of is very huge. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709, which in a real sense is very critical. The especially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $55,060,451,724 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which is very huge. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39% in a genuinely huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period, which for the most part is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere around 1.63 and presently exchanging at 62 cents, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an all things considered, descending course for present moment, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a kind of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so SLP for the most part faces obstruction at $0.003, which in every practical sense is very huge. Smooth Love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the SLP specialized examination. Fundamentally, let us certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers generally become sort of more essentially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how as of now, an extremely broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So SLP sort of countenances obstruction at $0.003 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers generally become move especially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that right now, and in every practical sense, general in every way that really matters. Negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so SLP truly faces our position at $0.003, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of truly Smooth Love mixture, SLP, exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir execution. The everyday diagram of commonly Smooth Love Elixir all things considered shows that the SLP cost certainly has a fundamentally descending development with a 1.18% reduction in all things considered recent hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. The value worth of the very smooth love elixir (SLP) coin generally is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in an especially enormous manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in every way that really matters is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars in an all things considered large way. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for 16 December 2023, inside a very everyday time period, explicitly made sense of beneath. Which truly shows that following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of truly smooth love elixir, SLP, especially smooth love mixture execution. The genuinely day-to-day graph of certainly smooth love elixir fundamentally shows that the SLP cost explicitly has a really descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in truly beyond 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving in every way that really matters, normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the all things considered. Smooth love mixture, which essentially is genuinely huge. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, shows that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 34, exhibiting that SLP basically faces obstruction at $0.003, which in every practical sense is very huge. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid in a kind of significant manner. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period. Fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange genuinely signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, so XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 1.63 and at present exchanging at 62 cents. Showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the traditional turn, the significant quick obstruction for SLP may really be somewhat found at $0.003, basically followed by $0.004, genuinely further appearance how which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39% in a for the most part large manner. Meanwhile,